Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying whether this is a personal Teams account or a work/school account because the removal path differs. Once done, back up any chats, Teams files, and linked OneDrive content so nothing is lost. Make sure you have admin privileges for an organizational account. Without them, you cannot delete the account. Next, sign out of Teams on all devices to prevent sync issues, then close the app completely before proceeding to account removal steps. You now remove the account from each device and app. On desktop, sign out of Teams, quit the app, and clear the Teams cache to avoid reauthentication problems. This helps when credentials persist. On mobile, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts or the Teams app account list and remove the account explicitly. For browser sessions, sign out and then revoke active sessions from your Microsoft account security settings to ensure no lingering web logins remain. These steps make a clean client-level removal. You finish by choosing deletion versus deprovisioning. If it's a personal account, use your Microsoft account settings to close the account. Follow the hold period prompts so you can recover if needed. If it's an organizational account, an admin must deprovision the user in Azure AD or the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, remove licenses, and reassign resources. Make sure you review retention policies and export any audit logs. If something goes wrong,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.